Welcome students. Now we are going to see some important MCQs for summer 2021 exam of Applied Science Chemistry. Chapter 3 is, this is for civil and mechanical group. Chapter 3 is fuel and combustion. First question is calculate the weight of oxygen required by 1 kg of carbon in formation of carbon dioxide, and the answer is 2.667 kg. Then question number 2 is a fraction of crude oil obtained between temperature range 250 to 320 degrees Celsius during fractional distillation. That fraction it is known as diesel oil. That means this is temperature range is given and fraction at that temperature range obtained is diesel. Then question number 3 is petroleum oil. It is formed from the organisms in sea and also from plants. Then question number 4 is the fuel with lowest octane number shows maximum knocking. Then question number 5 is percentage of carbon and hydrogen present in coal. It can be determined by which method? It is determined by combustion tube. Then next question is question number 6. The carbonization of coke by Otto Hoffmann method. It is used to produce what? It is used to produce metallurgical coke. The coal that contain highest percentage of carbon, it is the anthracite coal. Then question number 8 is the percentage of nitrogen. It can be calculated by which method? It is calculated by Geldahl's method. That means C, it is the answer. The best fuel among the given type of fuel is gaseous fuel. The octane number of fuel can be increased by adding which chemical in it? It is increased by adding tetraethyl lead, that is TEL. Then question number 11th is a fuel which can be used in IC engine is coal. Question number 12 is again see question number 11. The fuel which cannot be used in IC engine is coal, and other three options, that means gasoline, means petrol, CNG and diesel, they can be used in IC engine. Question number 12 is the different fraction of petroleum, they are separated by fractional distillation due to different in their boiling point. Then next is the fuel which with lowest ignition temperature is CNG. Then dash it is termed as brown coal, peat it is a brown coal. Then question number 15 is a fuel which is obtained as a byproduct during distillation of petroleum. That fuel is LPG. The ignition temperature of natural gas is minimum temperature at which combustion of it takes place. It is known as ignition temperature. Then question number 16 is the gaseous fuel used in aerosol industry. It is LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas. Question number 17 is the effect of knocking in fuel is explosion of fuel. Then question number 18 is the combustion of fuel is which type of reaction? It is oxidation reaction. Bomb calorimeter, it is used to for determination of calorific value of which type of fuel? Solid and liquid fuels. Then question number 20 is total amount of heat obtained on complete combustion of unit mass of fuel. It is known as its calorific value. That means amount of heat produced, it is known as calorific value. The fuel which produce maximum smoke, it is coal. Before entering to fractional distillation column, crude oil it is heated to about 400 degrees Celsius. The coal which burns with smoky yellow flame, it is bituminous coal. The calorific value of liquid fuel is dash as compared to solid fuel. It is higher as compared to solid fuel. The progressive change that occurs during the formation of anthracite coal from wood, it is increase in calorific value. Then question number 26 is dash is non-combustible gas. Nitrogen which is present in coal, it is non-combustible gas. Dash of fuel which is formed from cellulose present in plant, it is coal. The best fuel among the given type of fuel is gaseous fuel. A fuel which is formed by cellulose present, it is coal. After fractional distillation of petroleum, paraffin wax is obtained by the refraction of heavy oil. In next video, we are going to see some other important MCQs. Thank you.